There are many reasons. Due to those kinds of reasons, you have to recover your Microsoft Excel workbook. So sometime you will forget to save your Microsoft Excel document, or sometime your Microsoft Excel automatically crashed, or sometime your operating system will be also automatically shut down. In that case, you have to recover your Microsoft Excel workbook. So if you are also trying to recover your Microsoft Excel workbook, then you are in the right video. So after watching this video, you don't have to watch any video to recover your Microsoft Excel workbook. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press in the bell icon also. So without any late, let's move on to our computer screen. So guys, welcome back to my computer screen. So today I'm going to teach you how can you recover your unsaved Microsoft Excel document. So it is too much easy to recover your Microsoft unsaved document. So first of all, you have to click in the blank workbook. So after this, just you have to set some settings. It is too much easy. So first of all, just go to in the file, then you have to click in the options. So after clicking in the option, so just now you can see here are a few features available. So after this, just click in the save. So now we can see here there is a option available, save auto recover information every 10 minutes. It means your Microsoft Excel document will automatically saved after every 10 minutes. That's why you have to decrease the time. So I'm making it 1 minute. It means after every 1 minute your Microsoft Excel document will be saved inside this folder. Okay, so now you can see this is the auto recover file location, or you can change your auto recover file location also, but in this time I'm not changing. So after uh, changing this one, just click in the OK. Okay, so after this, your all the Microsoft Excel document will be saved after every 1 minute while you are working. So if accidentally your Microsoft Excel crashed, or your operating system crashed because of any kind of reasons, in that case it will be very easy to recover. So how to get that file if you forgot to save, or if your Microsoft Excel automatically crash? So in that case, just you have to press Windows key plus E to open Windows Explorer. Okay, so after this, now you can see here, just go to here and just paste that location link. So after this, just press enter. So now you can see here are few files. It was previously saved inside my recovery location. So after this, you can recover those files easily using those methods. So hoping that you get few ideas to recover your Microsoft Excel's document. So if you have still any kind of queries, let me know in the comment section. Hoping that you get few ideas to recover your Microsoft Excel workbook. So if you have still any kind of confusion, let me know in the comment sections. I'll try to make another new videos on that topic also. Let me know in the comment sections. If you have still any kind of queries or questions on this video, then tell me in the comment section. Okay, so share this video if you get some quality content, or if you learn something from this video, and it will give me some motivation to make more videos on this YouTube channel. So I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.